Today, let's install pip on Ubuntu 20.04. Pip is Python package manager from where we can download third-party Python packages that help us in Python programming. So the prerequisite before installing pip is check if there are any updates pending for your Ubuntu system. For that, let's run the command sudo apt update. Provide the password, and it's going to take a minute or two to go through all the available repositories and check for updates on the software. So currently I had just ran the apt update command, so I don't have any packages to be updated. But if you have packages to update, run the sudo apt upgrade command and update to the latest packages. Once the update is complete, we need to run the command sudo apt install Python3-pip. This will go to the Ubuntu package server and try fetching the dependencies and packages related to pip. It is going to take a minute or two to complete the installation. Looks like pip has been installed. Let's confirm by checking the version using pip3 version. And as you can see, I have the version as 20.02. That's it for this video.